Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today I want to show you how to utilize McKee's polishing pad cleaner and conditioner. You know, your pads, if you think about it, are probably sometimes as big or a bigger investment than your polisher, so you need to take care of them. And I mean all of them, from foam to microfiber to wool. And I'm going to show you how the product is intended. So head into the sink and grab your dirty pad and mist or spray the cleaner onto the face of the pad and get the entire area. And then use your fingers to massage the cleaner into the pores of the foam or in the fibers of the microfiber or wool. And that's before you turn on the water on your spigot, and that will then dilute the product so you can rinse it free. You can see I'm working the cleaner from inside towards the outer ledge and then rinsing it completely free of the pad, along with the dirt, the polishing, the spent polishing residue and grittiness and abrasives. Both the cleaner and the conditioner are sold in 8-ounce, 22-ounce, which is what I have here, and gallon size. The 22 ounce is $24.99 for both the cleaner and the conditioner. Why not just use a APC, all-purpose cleaner? Well, these cleaners are meant just to break down the polishing residue and abrasives getting stuck in your pad, where the APCs have a broader range and not quite ideal for cleaning and caring for your pads. When it comes to microfiber pads, again, mist the entire face of the pad and then massage the cleaner into the little microfibers. And then you can get it under your running tap, warm water, hot water. Start at the center of the pad and work your way out toward the edge and flush all of those oils, the residues, the grittiness, the spent clear coat, and the abrasives. And again, the cleaner is designed to go after just those residues and dirt and flush them and clean them from your pads so they can become 100% effective once again. You probably noticed the drill brush. I like to bring that in, and the bristles get in between the fibers, stand them straight up, and help to clean the gunk between those fibers out of there, deep down into the base of the pad, and then thoroughly rinse. And then, of course, all of these pads need to be set out to air dry. Don't forget your wool pads, and I treat the wool pads exactly like I would the microfiber pads. For some more pad cleaning tips and tricks for those that are mobile and don't have access to a sink and running water, you can just mist the pad. So back the bottle away and just mist the face of the pad. Bring in any detailing brush, agitate the area, take a dry microfiber and mop up the crud from the pad as you're drying it as well, and get back to work. This here and the next routine that I show you will work on all types of pads: foam, open, closed cell, microfiber, and wool. I also use the McKee's 37 pad cleaner when I'm around my System 4000 pad cleaner. I just put clean water in the bucket, and then I will mist the face of the pad, run it over the mechanism, push down and flush the pad with clean water, and then turn the polisher on high to dry. And then yet one more method I use, because keep in mind sometimes there's 3 or 4 or 5 polishers going at one time. The sink, the pad cleaner, they may be in use, so sometimes I'll spray the face of the pad, use a brush to agitate, and then grab force air to blow all that junk out of there and stand those fibers straight back up in the air and ready to receive more product and get back to work again. Okay, let's get to the pad conditioner, and these are important for brand new pads to break them in, or pads that are freshly cleaned and you're getting them out for the first job of the day. You want to get them conditioned. You don't want to run a dry pad over the surface of clear coat, and spray the face of the pad with the conditioner, and that will soften up the material. This can be used for foam, microfiber, wool. And the biggest thing with this, it will help with skipping for those that have a problem with skipping and polishers. I'm often asked, especially with the rotary, how to avoid that or how to stop it or how to slow it down. The pad conditioners are excellent and will pretty much get rid of skipping on your polishers. They also work in tandem with whatever polish you are using, and it'll give you a nice, smooth, gliding pass across each panel. And then the biggest tip I can give you is going to be after you're working the product, especially out in direct sunlight or heat, and the polish you're using likes to dry out quickly or it likes to try to dust, stop, mist a little bit onto the panel, and get back to work, and you will be able to not only finish your pass, you will be able to wipe it off very easily, very quickly. So, say out in direct sunlight, this area is starting to dry out a little bit, starting to dust. Just a fine mist over the area, just like that, is all you need. And you can finish your passes, and you can finish the surface area that you're working on, and you'll be able to wipe off quick and easy. All this will cut down on friction, keep the heat down, and will care for your pads and take care of the clear coat you're working on as well. No need to rate these two. They both work. They're effective. It's up to you to decide if this is a necessity, taking care of your pads and conditioning them as well. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. I'll catch you in the next video.